Okay, so here we are in Photoshop. So let's go for A4. Let's go for landscape, white background, and create. Okay, so now we're going to add some images for Mother's Day digital scrapbook. So here we have Chrome. Let's go for flowers or something. I know, sunflowers. Sunflowers. Something nice and bright. Let's take it from Google Images. Let's pick a nice one. Mother's Day scrapbooking. Copy image. Go to Photoshop, Command V, Command T, or Control T if you're on a Windows. There you go. And stretch it out all the way across. I suppose we can have borders. There you go. Okay, so here's our first page here. And we want to add some scrapbooking here. Let's add some titles. So T on the keyboard, one click, 12 point, let's go for 30, let's go for 60, let's be better. Mother's Day, Command A, let's go for something fancy like an Edwardian script. There you go. Command T. Double click inside. Let's go for the layers here. Go here. Let's reduce the opacity to about 50%. Go to Mother's Day. Open up the layer styles. Go to bevel and embed. So play around with these settings here. Let's go for a drop shadow. Yeah, that's a nice drop shadow. Click OK. What else can we add for a Mother's Day scrapbook? So maybe we can have two images here, or maybe let's play around with more images. So Mother's Day. Yeah. Let's see, what else do they have? Mother's Day here. That's a nice saying there. Copy image. Command V again. Command T. Okay, let's add a stroke to it. And always name your layers, don't forget. All that I have. Sunflowers. Here's a stroke. Ooh, that's a nice stroke. That's a nice stroke. Yeah. So when you click here, then you can. It's 38 now. So if we go to 25, yeah, and whichever color you want. Okay. That orange looks nice, so I'm going to keep that. Okay. So now I'm going to Control T or Command T. Make sure it doesn't look nice. Click away. Okay, all that I am. Don't forget to save your work. Command S. Let's go through the images. What else can we add? Happy Mother's Day. Copy image. And don't forget, you can add whatever you want. Yeah, it's your scrapbook. Make it fun. Compose it well. Gift. Double click. Stroke. Click. That's fine. That's fine. Click, move it slightly up. Chocolates, those chocolates look nice. Box of chocolates. Mother's Day chocolates. Oh, milk tray. That looks nice. Copy image. Command T again. Scale it up. Let's see. Double click inside to place it, or just hit enter. Command T. Double click inside. Let's call it milk tray. Double click here. Stroke. There's my stroke. It's going to be the same. 25 size. There you go. There you go. And there you have it. Mother's Day scrapbook, digital scrapbook. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. As you can see, it's really easy to create your digital scrapbook. So if you have any personal images, I just used some random images here, but you can personalize it, obviously, and that's what scrapbooking is all about. It's very personal to you. So have fun with this. Okay, take care for now. Until next time. Bye for now.